Is it okay to meditate with holy names, to use holy names? So according to the Kabbalist from the 16th century, Rabbi Isaac Luria, he stated clearly that to pronounce holy names and names of angel is not allowed because we create damage by drawing energy in an incorrect way by using the names and pronouncing it. The reason is the environment is not pure enough today, and we are not pure enough today in order to use the holy names verbally. So therefore, we can use the holy names by meditating with them. This is what we do. The only exception is the names of God that are installed within the blessings that are in the prayers. Those names we can mention. But out of that, the names of angels, any names of angels and holy names, like the 72 names of God and other names, we are not allowed to pronounce them. But it's important that we should meditate with them. It's known that the Kabbalist that passed away a few years ago, Rabbi Kaduri, used to be a huge Kabbalist here in Israel. He used the names of God and he used names of angels. He didn't pronounce them. He wrote it on parchment or on paper. And when he was asked if it's okay to do that, he said, I'm not forcing them, I'm not forcing the angels to do my will. I'm asking them nicely, and they accept to help me because I'm an old man. This is the way that he spoke about that, which means he did not pronounce or he did not force the angels to do his will, even though that there are ways to do that. And doing that will bring a boomerang on the person of bad energy. So therefore, it's important to use the holy names, but to know not to pronounce them, only to meditate with them. I wish you a lot of blessing by using the holy names. I wrote a book about the 72 names that you can use in a very nice way. It's on Amazon, and the link is right here. Wishing you a blessing in life.